Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert SD card and SIM card into ZTE Blade A32. So you have to start with removing backplate of your phone. And now here is your SIM slot, so just you have to put your SIM card right here, and here is your SD slot, so you put it on SD card like this. And now you can put your backplate back on, and now my SIM card should work. Yes, as you can see here I have bars, so that this means that my network is working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.